Hey, welcome to Pagosa Adventures and to 2023. I cannot believe it's already here, 2023. That means we're going into our third year of owning a leisure travel van. 2020 is when we got ours in May, and so that's 3-year anniversary of RVing as well. The leisure was our very first RV. And then last year we added to our RV arsenal. We got the Airstream. Absolutely love our Airstream as well. And that's the 27-foot Globetrotter. And so if you're here for Airstreams, you're here for leisure travel vans, we'll have content for both or just content for RV in general. They're so alike in so many ways, especially with the upgrades that we do to them as well. Lithium batteries. I'm going to be upgrading to a Trumas hot water system in our Airstream because the Gerard that came with the Airstream is horrible, and the Truma that came with the leisure travel van is amazing, and you really don't know until you get to discover both of them, right? So that's a couple of the upgrades we're going to be doing this year to the Airstream. Now then, I am in a couple of weeks, I am headed down to the RV Super Show in Tampa, Florida, and I will be getting together with all the leisure travel van folks down there, and we're going to be looking at that new MBL floor plan. I'm excited to see it in person. If you've seen my video about it, which I'll put a link right there, when I saw this MBL floor plan, I was blown away. In fact, Janet and I are going to order an MBL as our next leisure travel van. Now I'm trying to decide between Ford or the Mercedes Sprinter versus the Transit Wonder versus the Unity. Now, we love our Unity. We love the Mercedes Sprinter. But there's a couple of reasons I'm thinking about going Wonder. And so give me your thoughts down below. Should I go Wonder or should I go Unity in that version? So anyway, I'm excited about that. So make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so whenever I start releasing videos about when I visit the leisure travel van area down at the Florida RV show. And so make sure you are subscribed to see all of that content, and I'm really looking forward to that. So anyway, I also want to give a quick update as well for those who have been asking for a bamboo cutting board. We've been sold out for over a year, and we had decided not to restock them, remanufacture them, because we weren't quite as happy with them as overall. Now they're beautiful, but they have to be very thin. The way you put bamboo together for a cutting board is they are kind of put together like this. But the good news is, look at this thing right here. This is the prototype bamboo cutting board sink cover Series 2. Ooh, that thing is strong as an ox. Look at that. This thing is beautiful, by the way. So I was trying to figure out how to make it stronger, and it's easy. It's just double it up. So it's still going to fit flat like this over your sink and extend your countertop flush. Turn it over for the cutting chop block side of it. We're also going to probably put a liquid groove right here as well. But man, look at this thing. And I don't know if you can tell on camera or not, but this thing is beautiful. I am so happy with this prototype, the way that it came out, and it is going to be perfect. This is going to last a lifetime, and so this is exactly what we were looking for. So if you're interested in a bamboo chop block Series 2, custom fit precisely for leisure travel vans, 2018 and above. If you're 2017 and older, unfortunately, leisure put in a different size sink, but this is 2018 and newer. This fits in perfectly. And so we're really excited about that. The link to get on the wait list so you can be notified when these go available for sale will be there. Also, we have our Skylight Covers back in stock, and I get emails almost every day asking when are they going to be back in stock? When are they going to be back in stock? Well, they're in stock. So go on. I can't promise you how long they're going to be in stock. Go on, that link is right there as well, and so that you can grab your Skylight Covers, be ready for the 2023 RV season. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, well, your skylights are your weakest link in your RV's insulation, and so by adding these, it cools off your coach so much quicker. That AC isn't working as hard. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. Everybody that has them says this has really, really made RVing so much more comfortable in the summertime. And if you're one of those few people that use our LTV in the winter, this will also help keep your coach warm as well. So anyway, those are back in stock. Now then, if you have not subscribed, I would invite you to do so. I'm excited to be releasing all of that content about what I find out with Leisure Travel Van at the RV Super Show in Florida. So that will be coming up, as well as our RV adventures, our upgrades that we're going to do to our Airstream, our Leisure Travel Van adventures, all kinds of stuff. So we've got a lot of stuff planned for 2023. Really excited about that. But with that being said, we will see you next time.